When you are going to purchase a budget phone, maybe less than 15,000 rupees, what is your feeling? A compromised camera, low battery capacity, performance low, heating issues. These are the main common problems we think when we want to buy or we have to buy a budget phone. In some cases, these are the things we thought. But uh, this is a CMF phone 1. The CMF is color, material, and finish. Is the sub brand of Nothing. Nothing makes Nothing phone 1, Nothing phone 2, 2A, and this is the sub brand and targeted India. So this is available at around 13,999. Will this make a difference? Okay, let's divide this video into two parts. On the first part, we will focus only on the budget phones, just like any other phone. And the later part, we will see why this CMF phone is the craziest phone which I have reviewed, at least available in the market also in this later part. CMF phone 1 comes in four colors: black, orange, blue, and light green. Both orange and blue color comes in vegan leather finish in the back. If you look at the camera module, there are two circles. One circle is 50 megapixel rear camera and the other one is depth sensor only. There is no other rear camera. On the front side, it is 16 megapixel camera. The processor is MediaTek Dimensity 7300. It, of course, is a 5G phone, which means that you can play games without any second thought. When you buy 8 GB of RAM, you will get another 8 GB of RAM, virtual RAM. Uh, that is why it is 16 GB. It is available only in one variant, that is storage of 128 GB of storage. When it comes to expandable, it is, yes, it is expandable. We will discuss more on this expandable on the later part. CMF Phone 1 comes with 6.67 inches Super AMOLED display, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and up to 2000 nits peak brightness. CMF Phone 1 is also comes with 5000 mAh battery, but there are many other players in the market which releases their phone budget phone with 5000 mAh. This is not the craziest, but it is on par with other phones. CMF Phone 1 comes with the Nothing OS 2.6, and if you are a Nothing user, then you must be knowing how the software is designed for its Android smoothness and all. Nothing OS is known for its software, and the kind of widgets they introduce in their software is commendable. And the customization of widgets is pretty simple and very much customizable, and you can change the size of the grouped icons and many more you can do. Those are the some of the features which you will also get in some other manufacturers, phone manufacturers within the 15,000 budget phones. But let's talk about the craziest features. What are the craziest offerings by the CMF Phone 1? Firstly, CMF Phone 1 is the only phone available in the market right now where you can replace the back panel completely. And moving further, if you look at this, can be removed, and there are plenty of other options or accessories available to fix this. For example, we can add a CMF phone given accessory phone stand that can be attached with this, and also you can replace this particular thing with lanyard which is available from the company itself, and there is a card case also can be attached with this. And when it comes to camera, 50 megapixel, that also you will get some other brands as well. But in the craziest part, why I'm talking about that 50 megapixel camera, the photos and the videos look stunning. I'll paste the link in the below description. There is an entire review which I have taken with this front camera, 16 megapixel camera, and the display is a 6.67 Super AMOLED display. Of course, you will get that in other players as well. But if you closely observe, the bezels around the corners are almost look similar, except the bottom is a little bit high. If you compare with some other brand manufacturers, you will have a bigger bottom bezel comparing to this one. And CMF phone 1 comes with Bluetooth 5.3, and also it comes with Wi-Fi 6. CMF phone 1 also supports 33-watt super fast charger. Of course, they don't give the charger with the box, and this is IP52 rated, which means that it is almost par with some other players. And this is a hybrid SIM slot, and it is expandable. But I'm talking now regarding that expandable is normally in budgeted phones you will get expandables up to only 1 TB, and now the CMF phone 1 you can expand up to 2 terabyte storage. You might say those are not doesn't look that much craziest, but there is one last thing. It supports reverse charging, 5 watts wired reverse charging, which means that you can charge your TWS with your phone. You don't need a power bank. And also this video is also recorded in Telugu. I'll paste the link in the below description, and there is also our dedicated technical blog, https hastechreviews.com. Please visit and read our technical blog, and thanks for watching, and please keep like, share and subscribe.